Good day, sir. Um, our topic for this video is a LinkedIn. LinkedIn. The content is LinkedIn. Uh, I will talk about how to stay safe while using LinkedIn. One of the most popular professional networking platforms, LinkedIn is a great place for finding jobs, building professional connections, and communicating with employers and colleges. However, like any online platform, LinkedIn also faces security and privacy risks that users should be aware. So one common problem on LinkedIn is phishing and fake job scams. Cyber criminals sometimes create fake recruiter account or uh, or sending suspicious messages pretending to offer jobs to get the data of the user, and their goal is often to steal or get the personal information, password, or financial details. Some fake accounts may also send harmful links that can compromise your device or account. Because of this, users should always verify recruiter profiles, avoid clicking suspicious links, and never share confidential information with stranger online. That's all. The other part will be discussed by my groupmates.
3, go. To stay protected, LinkedIn. User should follow important best practices for safe use. First, create a strong password that contains uppercase and lowercase letter, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using easy-to-guess passwords such as birthday or simple words. Second, enable two-factor authentication or 2FA. These security features adds an extra layer of protecting by requiring a verification code when logging into your account. Third, review your privacy settings regularly to control who can view or profile posts and contact information. This simple action can greatly reduce the risk of hacking and identity thief. Okay na yan.
LinkedIn also has policies against inappropriate content, fake account, harassment, scam, and misleading information. Users are encouraged to maintain professionalism and respect while using the platform. If you encounter suspicious activity, fake job posting, or inappropriate message, LinkedIn provides a flag or report feature that allow user to report harmful content or account directly to platform. Reporting these issues help keep the community safer for everyone and prevent scammer from targeting more users.
In conclusion, LinkedIn can be a safe but valuable platform when used responsibly by understanding common security risks, practicing cybersecurity awareness, enabling safety features like 2FA, and reporting suspicion activities. Users can protect themselves while enjoying the benefits of professional and networking and career growth. Stay alert and stay professional and stay secure online. And thank you.